how do I stop overthinking and just be myself? You need to practice getting used to the social situation that's giving you anxiety so that you can learn to relax. Overthinking is basically a reaction to your anxiety. If you're feeling anxiety, you're probably going to worry, you're probably going to overthink. And all that overthinking is based on the notion that you're going to somehow solve the problem of doing it right, make your anxiety go away, and make the other person like you or want to do the thing that you want to do. It's pretty much that simple. But the problem is that you get on a vicious cycle with overthinking, and then you have a hard time being yourself around other people, and then you're tense, and then you're awkward and needy, and so on. So it's not a game of trying to rationalize your way out of it. It's a game of exposure over time as you practice exposing yourself in those tricky social situations, whether it's dating or whether it's business. It doesn't matter. But the idea is the more times you do it, you have to pay attention to how you are recovering from the stress every single time, and that your skills are building over time, that your confidence is going up over time, that you're training yourself to relax, maybe use some relaxation techniques or breathing techniques. But it's a practice thing over time, and it takes repetitions. That's how you do it. So, how do I stop overthinking to be myself? You've got to practice exposing yourself little by little over time and noticing how your skills and confidence improve. See you next time.